Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey, let me explain. As you can see, we have a new situation back here. I've been away because I have moved. I purchased my first home, so the last month or so has been extremely hectic, but I've still been shopping. Let me address the elephant in the room. I've been doing a little bit of traveling this summer. I didn't have time, so I hit up my Cameroonian goddess and I had her install these box braids. These are almost a month old. If I zoom in too close, you'll see all my new growth. So I'm gonna stay back here, okay? Even though I've had these braids, I've had some collections that I really wanted to try that were just recently released or had great sales. So let's start with one of the first things I got. In case you were under a rock, back in May for Cinco de Mayo, Bodyworks did have a huge sale where all of their products were $5. I cleaned up. I'm not even going to go through these one by one because this collection is pretty old, but I did get the entire Papaya Castor Oil collection from Bodyworks. I haven't used the Cowash yet, so stand by for a review on these. I've already used most of the collection. I just haven't used the, what is it, the hairdress, and I haven't used the Cowash yet. So just be on the lookout. I'm going to get a little more in depth with the other products that I purchased. First up will be the new Mielle Moisture X Hawaiian Ginger collection. I did purchase the leave-in and the gel from this collection. I didn't really feel like getting the overnight mask. I don't need any more butters. I didn't bother to get the rest of the collection. I literally just got the leave-in conditioner and the gel. Depending on the hold, I'll try these in a future video. If it doesn't really work for a wash and go while I'm styling, I'll probably turn it into a braid out or twist out. Y'all know how I do. If I see the ship is sinking, I'm going to, take a detour. The next company I purchased from was Adwoa Beauty. I've been wanting to try them for a few years, but I couldn't get with those prices. And even during Black Friday, I feel like she never went over 25% off. And I'm not trying to knock her hustle, but I wasn't finna pay that. I waited. And fortunately, she had a big pre-order sale where everything was 40% off. So I did go ahead and pick a few products up from that line. First up, I got the Adwoa Beauty Baomint Deep Conditioning Treatment. Got the large packaging for all of the products. And it says it has baobab, winter mint, and spearmint oil. This is probably going to feel really nice and wonderful on the girl's scalp, especially after I take these braids out. Next up, I did grab the leave-in conditioning styler. Apparently, you can use it as a leave-in conditioner, detangler type of thing, as well as a styler. So I'm excited to try that. I also got the Moisturizing Curl Defining Gel. So that was all that I picked up from Adwoa Beauty. Oh, look at, see, this is why you need to open your things. They even give you a pump for the leave-in in case you don't want to squeeze it from the bottle. I think that's very thoughtful, and I think that more companies should do things like this, just in case that's not your preference for how you get your product out of the packaging. I enjoy that. Last but not least, this is probably the collection I'm most excited about. I would like to give a shout out to Miss Quinn Ray for ruining my checking account balance. Thank you so much, girl. I had no idea that As I Am was releasing a new collection. If you've been following me for some time, you know that I love me some Jamaican black castor oil, okay? Love it so much. So As I Am just released their Restore and Repair collection, which has Jamaican black castor oil as their key ingredient. First product I pulled out of the box is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Moisturizing Mask. I just wish they would give us 12 ounces. This is the 8-ounce jar. This says that it has Jamaican Black Castor Oil as well as vitamin C and vitamin E oil. First of all, let me shout out As I Am because As I Am is efficient, okay? Not only did they send you a shipping confirmation email with your tracking number and all of that, they sent you an email each day to let you know where it was and what day it was going to be delivered. Listen, that's what I'm talking about. So I'm going to take the seal off. And oh, look at that. She's thick. And it smells like an old school hair product. I really can't put my finger on it. But it's creamy and I'm excited. I did get the shampoo. The shampoo is 12 fluid ounces. What I didn't notice until literally just now is that it has the hair types that it's dedicated to. I personally don't hair type, but this does say that it caters to types 3 and 4. Also got the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water. And this is 16 ounces. This is just like a refresher spray. And it smells similar to the DC. And last but not least, I did pick up the Cowash. And y'all already know that As I Am is like the prototype, okay, for co-washes. And this, yes. I can't even show you because it's that liquidy. It's just, the texture is just like the original As I Am Cowash. So I think that about wraps up everything that I got recently in the last couple of months. What I will say is I already have a wash day with the Papaya Castor collection from Eden filmed. I just haven't had time to edit. I'll be sure to edit the wash day with the Eden Bodyworks products and get that up for you guys as well. That about sums up my haul. I just want to say I appreciate everyone that hung in there with me while I was away, but your girl is back. You know what I'm saying? The rest of these products I will get to as soon as I take my hair down. Please be patient with your girl. As I said, I just moved into my new home, so it's been a process. It's been a lot. It's a lot going on, but we'll get through it. Thank you all for hanging in with me. I appreciate you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.